I just want to know what I stole. Can you just tell me what I stole? Can you tell me what I stole?
Hold on 1 second.
This is the fourth. You just choked me out. You just choked me out. I don't know what I did.
Let me see your head.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that, okay?
I'm gonna do it.
You're making it worse. Don't back.
Listen.
No one has told me anything.
Don't do that again.
Well, turn in things that I find.
No, don't hit your head anymore. All right? There's nothing else that you can do about it today. Okay?
Today.
Get your gum out.
I'm sorry.
Spit it out.
Oh fuck! I'm
All
sorry.
right, you're good. While we work as well.
Like I would have given that girl 100 times. I'm getting my staff the money in 3 days. I don't need money.
Listen. No matter what you say, the decision's made. Okay?
Okay.
All right? We're not going to ask you any other questions. We're going to go investigate it. That's our job. All right? Our job is to investigate what's going on.
Okay.
All right? But tonight, or today, you're going to jail.
For what?
Okay? For theft.
For theft of what?
For theft of all that stuff.
Of a backpack?
Look, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm not the case agent. All right? But tonight, or today, you're going to jail.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Do not hit your head again.
What happens if I hit my head again? Am I gonna get in more trouble?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Right. Stop it. You hear me? Stop it.
Stop grabbing me by the throat.
You gonna stop?
Why do you
Hey,
keep?
get a hobble.
Why do you keep choking
Get
me?
a hobble.
Why do you keep choking me? Stop choking me!
Hey.
Stop choking me! You're
Stop. You can sit up. Sit up.
Hey. Peyton, stop.
Hey, did you call one?
No. Sit up, Peyton. Do you go by Peyton?
White male conscious breathing.
Yes, sir. Thank you, please. Please. Find the girl who's Don't just laugh in people's faces. I'm so sorry. I'm just scared. I took a backpack that I thought was mine, walked all the way out in the parking lot, realized it wasn't mine, and now I'm getting arrested.
I've already explained it to you. The
I
decision's
know.
made. Okay?
So if someone decides to kill me, it's just the decision's made?
Are you gonna? So. You gonna calm down? So we can.
At broke slut on Twitter with a 0 as the O. Please help me.
Okay.
I have 10,000 Twitter followers.
Hey, bud, are you good temperature-wise back there?
I just really returned all this stuff that I thought I had stolen.
We'll talk about it in a second, okay?
And I believe driving and it said or said stay to the right, but the right was like a 90-degree right turn, and I hit the curb and it popped both my tires.
Was that here in Denton or what?
No, it was in Allen.
Where?
I was in the Lake South Lake. Oh God!
Hey, stop.
Please don't get them. They're so mean. Please don't get them.
Peyton, you've got to stop doing that, okay? I'm trying to get you to where we're going, and then we're going
If
to
I
talk.
get a charge today.
Listen to me. That's why we're going to go and talk about
So
that.
why
So I need
can't
you
we
to calm
talk
down
about
until
it
we
at
get there.
UC and all the
Because we're not going to talk about it right here.
Yes,
I need
ma'am.
you to calm down until we get where we're going, and then I will talk to you, okay?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you can't keep beating your head against that, okay? So stop doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.